To add a debit card in Google Pay, start by opening the Google Pay app on your device. If you do not have the app installed, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is open, you will be prompted to set up a Google Pay account if you have not already done so. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account or sign in to an existing one. After signing in, you will see a prompt to add a payment method. Tap on the Add Payment Method option and select debit card as your preferred payment method. You will then be asked to enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure that you enter the correct details to avoid any issues with the setup process. After entering your debit card details, you will receive a verification code on your registered mobile number from your bank. Enter this verification code in the Google Pay app to verify your debit card. Once your debit card is verified, you will receive a confirmation message from Google Pay. Your debit card is now added to Google Pay and you can use it to make transactions. It is essential to note that you should only add a debit card that is in your name and is issued by a bank that supports Google Pay. Additionally, ensure that your device is secure and protected with a lock screen to prevent unauthorized access to your Google Pay account. By following these steps, you can easily add a debit card to Google Pay and start making transactions seamlessly. Remember to always keep your Google Pay account and device secure to protect your financial information.